What's going on, guys? Hey, we're out on short dig today. I got this permission over here. Yeah, right there. And this used to be part of that front yard. I don't know if you can see it, but we got another prostitute plate or hooker plate, or it's really cool. Been digging a lot of coins, but it's all been pretty, 64 or not. But that's awesome. Anything else will turn you back on. So I also got the gas station coin too. I'll show you that on a wrap up. But all right, we'll catch you on the next thing later. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see it, but I broke you out because of that green right there. It was high 24, 25, and I'm not sure. It's gonna be right there. Hey, let me get it out of there and we'll turn it back on and I'll show you what it is. Well, we get it out of the hole and we all know what that is, huh? We got a Conestoga bell. Back you up a little bit. Very nice. I'll take that all day long. Now we're starting to run into relics. I was getting afraid there for a little while. Oh, green, green. Is the rod a dinger in it? No, don't feel it. But that is cool. Anything else will turn you back on. Looking to get a silver coin, something really nice today. A nice piece of jewelry, or. But all right, anything else? We'll turn you back on. Well, we cleaned that up, guys, and I thought it was going to be a whole copper, but it's not. Number 11. And it's punch, so it's going to be fairly old. Not ancient, but fairly old. Alright, anything else? I'm turning back on. I got a deep high signal, guys, and I can actually see it. So I'll show you. You're running the 800 today. Yeah, it's gonna be a buckle. Bad, huh? It's an old buckle. Very nice. Everything I've been pulling out of here has been alright. Spending time with the house, period. But, yeah, clean it up and I'll show you at the end. Hey guys, I just got a 25, 26 in the hole. Man, I'm not used to seeing 26 on my machine, but that's what we dug. Zoom you in so you can see. I don't know if that's pewter or... Let me give it a brush and we'll show you. It's real fragile, so we'll see what it is. Well guys, we sprayed that. I didn't brush it. Its bottom's ready to snap off. But that looks to me like it's going to be a hook and ladder wagon for the fire department. You notice up there it's probably spinning around. Team of horses with a wagon. That is cool. And says something on the bottom maybe? Let's zoom in. No, this yard has just been awesome. Well, anything else, I'll turn you back on. Well guys, I got a decent target. Yeah, I dug it. I thought it was coming up 30, 31. And it's going to be a Zippo. Is it a Zippo or is it a Junker? It's going to be a Zippo. Very cool. Yeah, I found a lot of stuff today in this, just this little front yard. And next good thing, we'll turn you back on. I got a decent signal. It wasn't very deep. Yeah, we're gonna have a religious pendant. You can pull it out and clean it up. It's not silver. Let's see. Alright, anything else? We'll turn you back on. Well guys, we're still swinging, and I just had a real high tone, and I'm not sure what I got. Can you make that out? There's a bust on it. I mean, right there. I mean, it looks like a helmet and a beard. It's got writing on it, and I'm not sure. Don't know. Anything cool, we'll get back to you. Hey, 603. Hey, we're ending our hunt for today. And wrapping up. Sorry, I don't have my board with me. I have my work truck today. But give you a rundown on what we found. See, we got a couple of bells. That Conestoga bell. Small one. This I'm not sure. I think it's just melted lead. There's some harmonica reeds. And then we have an instrument reed. And this aluminum token. Mobile. Oh, shell, I'm sorry. President coin game. I remember that back in the 80s. And then got that big buckle. Big brass buckle. And this tag. I was talking to a woman about the house, and she said a lot of interesting stuff about it. It's 1820s, which it's right there. And they used to house slaves also. But let's see what else we got here. And some of the stuff we got's right to the era. I mean, that'd be cool if that's a slave tag, but I don't think it is. We have that Woman of the Night heel. This here, this is cool. It's a coin, but almost looks like Christopher Columbus on it, but I'm not sure. I'll have to clean it up, and we'll see. And then we got these two things, which I'm not sure of. That might be a spent penny, but it looks too small. And this, I'm not sure. Some weird stuff come out of there. We got that little religious medallion. Got a bunch of wheats. 2 lighters, a Zippo, and a fairly old one, Art Deco. And then that's cool. It's gonna be lit. It's Fireman Horse and Buggy. Detail on that, huh? I don't know if it's a kid's play toy, chess game, but that's cool. So that's gonna do it, and we'll see you on the next one. It was fun today. Alright, later guys, have a good week.